Also, guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Hola Prime prop firm, and I'm going to be giving you 6 reasons why you should get an account with these guys. Now, Hola Prime is a prop firm that where you can offer accounts both on forex, futures, and also crypto. But the reason I choose them for my crypto trades is actually very specific, and I'm going to be those are some of the things I'm going to be pointing out in this video. So the very first one is their fast payout system, or the duration in which they do their payments. So as you can see over here, within an hour, once you place your request or withdraw after you might have made profits and you get to your payouts and you initiate a withdrawal, they don't take up to days before they pay you or before you get the money into your account. So this over here is one of the reasons why they're actually very, very interesting. Then in terms of the trading account, you actually get up to 5x leverage. All right, when you are trading a crypto account on this particular platform. So as you can see over here, the leverage when you're getting account, this is a two prime accounts on Hola Prime, as you can see under crypto over here. So you get up to 5x leverage over here for your trade. So that is actually a plus, because some platform just give you like 1-to-1 or just give you 2x, which is not really that much if you want to maximize your opportunities in the market. So but Hola Prime over here gives you 1-to-5, which is 5x over here. So now we also, another reason why I also prefer this program again is because you can trade up to 100 plus crypto assets. So in this simply means that all the major altcoins, all right, like the Ethereum, the Solana, the Cardano, you can trade all of them on this particular platform, all right, using the same account. So there is no need for you to, start searching for, crypto platform out there when you can trade almost, all the major crypto on this particular platform. Now, another reason why I also prefer Hola Prime, right, is because you can actually choose the platform on which you trade. Right now, when you are getting your account, let's say for example, if you are about to buy an account right now, by the way, if you want to get an account with them, check the link below this video so that you can get an account with them. Then also use my promo code SOFT30 so that you can get 30% discount off every single account you buy from this prop firm. Now, if you come down to this area, you can see that when you are getting your account over here, you can choose between MetaTrader and also DX Trade over here. Now, the beautiful thing about this is that if you are already used to MetaTrader 5, you can still trade your favorite crypto coins on MetaTrader, as you can see over here. So that is actually a very good reason why I actually prefer Hola Prime. Now, one other thing that makes me to also love this particular program is that they don't just give you evaluation accounts. You can also get instant funded accounts. Now, let's head over back to this area. Now, as you can see over here under crypto, you can actually get direct accounts. So these direct accounts are instant funded, meaning you don't need to pass any evaluation, and you are still going to get the same up to the same leverage over here, all right, with the evaluation. So as you can see over here, your daily loss limit, if you are getting a direct account, is going to be 4%, and the maximum, which is trailing drawdown, is going to be 6%. So this is another very good reason why Hola Prime is the best profile you should be getting an account. Now, as you can see over here, the rewards are up to 90%, even for crypto as well. So this instant fund is actually very cool, especially if you don't want to go through passing evaluation. You just want to get funded instantly. They can actually get you funded instantly, as you can see over here. So when you get direct accounts, and also if you want to get a direct account, you can also still choose from whether you want to trade it on MetaTrader 5 or you want to trade it on DEX Trade as well. Now, the last reason, or another reason why I actually love them, is that their payments are made in crypto, which is actually very, very interesting. All right, very, very cool. So if you want to get paid in crypto, if you are trading crypto, you trade crypto, you want to get paid in crypto, this is also the prop firm you should also get an account with. So if you go down somewhere around this area, you can see have coins payments integrated to their system. So they pay out in crypto. And like I said from the beginning, their payments is actually under 1 hour over here. I think this is actually the first pro firm that's actually doing this, which is actually a very good plus on their own part. So guys, if you want to get accounts with them, check the link below this video. Use my code SOFT30 and get an account with Hola Prime. Let's trade and make money from the markets. All right, take care guys, and do have a lovely trading week ahead.